building and maintaining strong friendships. Hey there, language learners! Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of friendships and acquaintances. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the topic of supporting each other and maintaining friendships. So, let's get started. Friendships are an essential part of our lives. They bring joy, support, and a sense of belonging. Supporting each other plays a crucial role in maintaining strong and lasting friendships. It's all about being there for your friends in good times and bad, offering encouragement, empathy, and lending a helping hand when needed. One of the most important ways to support your friends is through active listening. When your friend is going through a challenging time, it's crucial to give them your undivided attention. Put away distractions, maintain eye contact, and respond with empathy and understanding. Show genuine interest in their feelings and validate their experiences. Offering emotional support by being there to listen can make a significant difference in strengthening your bond. Supporting your friends also involves offering encouragement and celebrating their achievements. When your friend is pursuing a goal or facing a difficult task, be their cheerleader. Offer words of motivation, provide constructive feedback, and remind them of their strengths. Celebrate their successes, both big and small. By being a source of positivity, you can inspire and uplift your friends. Sometimes, supporting each other means providing practical help. If your friend is facing a challenge or going through a tough time, offer assistance in any way you can. It could be helping them with their schoolwork, offering a ride, or even just being a listening ear. Small gestures of support can make a significant impact on your friendship. Empathy is a key ingredient in maintaining strong friendships. Showing empathy means understanding and sharing your friends' emotions. Put yourself in their shoes. Try to see things from their perspective, and offer comfort and understanding. Avoid judgment or dismissive responses. Instead, validate their feelings and let them know you're there for them. And there you have it, language learners. Building and maintaining strong friendships requires supporting each other in various ways. Remember to practice active listening, provide emotional support, offer encouragement, celebrate achievements, and provide practical help when needed. By showing empathy and understanding, you'll foster deep and lasting connections with your friends. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll incorporate these tips into your friendships. Stay tuned for more exciting English language learning content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.